In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know tempo of Suno AI music. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in Suno to see the BPM, or beats per minute, of any track you've created. This is especially useful if you're syncing music to video, practicing with a metronome, or lining up tracks for a remix. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Suno website. From the main Discover area, move to your personal space by selecting the library. If you don't see your tracks, make sure you're signed into the account where the song was created. Your library is where all your generated songs live, so this is the quickest way to pick the exact track you want to check. Find the song whose tempo you want to know. On that song's card, click the three dots, which is the More Options menu. This opens the action list for that track. From there, choose Edit. This tells Suno you want to view and tweak the song's settings rather than just play it. Next, select Open in Editor. The editor is where Suno exposes more detailed controls. Give it a moment to load, you'll see the timeline and various buttons appear. Once the editor is open, look toward the bottom center of the interface for the settings icon. It's typically represented by a small gear. Click that gear to open the editor settings panel. This is where the tempo control lives. Inside the settings panel, choose Manual BPM. Turning this on reveals the tempo information for your track. After you enable Manual BPM, look just beside the settings icon at the bottom. You'll see a number appear there. That number is your song's BPM. For example, if it shows 120, that means the track runs at 120 beats per minute, a common mid-tempo pace that works well for pop and dance. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the interface looks a little different, don't worry. Design updates can shift icons slightly, but the settings gear remains near the bottom center in the editor. If a track feels like it speeds up or slows down creatively, the displayed BPM reflects the primary tempo the editor is using. And if the number doesn't appear right away, give the editor a second to finish loading before you click the gear again. That's all there is to it. Go to your library, open the song in the editor, click the gear, enable Manual BPM, and read the tempo right next to the settings icon. Now you can confidently match your Suno music to any project that depends on a precise tempo.